My interest in martial arts grew because I saw that it was more than just fancy movements on TV. So when I started training, that's when I realized the discipline that it took to develop these techniques, to be able to perform them, to be able to execute them. The patience in training all those hours became a part of who I am. The discipline became a part of who I am. The understanding of the consequences of an improperly executed technique became a part of who I am. As an attorney, it was a natural progression. Those ideals, those skills, that experience, now I can use that background to best defend my client. It's not for my benefit, it's now to defend someone who has put their life in my hands. And I have that responsibility now, defending my client passionately.
I'd never been to Detroit, Michigan before, and I was very new to the area. When I got here, I kind of got into a tight spot, and I didn't know what to do or who to call. And then all that went away when I met with Dallo Law, and I went in for a consultation. From there, I met with the staff, and I was treated with kindness and respect and dignity. And then finally, I met J.J. Dallo. And when I met him, he was kind, he was funny. He showed me an air of humanity that I hadn't seen in so long. He let me know that he would stand with me. He let me know that I would see justice in my situation. And he did everything he said he would do. I'd have to say, Dallo Law is who you need to call, because J.J. Dallo is a fighter.
When a client walks into my office and we sit down, the first thing that's important for me to establish is the connection, the human connection. I want to know them. I want to know who they are. I don't want to just get right into the case. I want to know their goals in life, who they are, what they wish to accomplish, a little bit about their background. And if the client has time, I have time. What that does, it helps me become the best attorney that I can be, because now I understand the human element of what's going on here. My staff and I understand that these are people, our clients are people with families. We really pay attention to that, because that's what my law office is. It's a group of trained, dedicated, professional human beings helping another human being out.
Without Jay Dowell, I don't know where I'd be today. When I told him my story and told him what was going on, he told me that he felt he could win this case hands down and that I needed not to worry. And it seemed that when I met Jay, he was more concerned about my well-being than anything. As nervous as I was, he made me feel, at ease. And in the courtroom, it was like being in a movie, watching him cross-examine witnesses in that courtroom, bring out the truth in my case. And the jury came back and found me not guilty, and I couldn't be more thankful that I had him by my side.
We have a never-give-up attitude at Dallo Law. The prosecutor's office is backed by the vast resources of the government, strong, big, and aggressive. Oftentimes, I face aggressive prosecutors, but it doesn't faze me. They can be strong, but I can be quick. I can be strategic. And in the legal sense, that means knowing how to respond to motions that'll be filed to the detriment of my client. I can't let those things pass. We defend that. We respond back with the law, with the proper tenacity, with the vigorous representation. We're not intimidated. We fight back and we proceed.